To view your user or contact analytics, you'll see here I've only got one user in the system, but to view the analytics, we're going to navigate over here to Analytics on the left-hand side, and then we're going to come here to Users. From here, you'll be able to see all of your user data. As I said, I only have one contact and 0 contacts have unsubscribed. You'll see a more detailed view over here. You can also change the view by clicking on this section over here. So right now it's showing us our contacts by list, and my list is all contacts. But I can choose to view my contacts by country. I can view my contacts by a tag. I can view my contacts by month. And honestly, there's a bunch of different ways that you can view this data in order to help you understand your users and your lists. You can also filter this information by changing the date range and by selecting which lists or other information you want to use here. And once you've chosen those filters, you can go ahead and hit Apply Filters, and that will then further customize what information you're being shown in your user analytics. And you can also go ahead and export this report. You can download a copy in a PDF or CSV file and download that information onto your computer. So that is how you can view your user analytics.